Yan.
Very
Dito muna tayo.
premium din yung design nito, Sir Jill.
Oo.
These are two-door top freezer po sa top.
Because it's also built in for a Wi-Fi connection.
Yes, ma'am. This is our high-end two-door top freezer. It has a black steel finish and Wi-Fi enabled through ThinkU app. And also, just like the side-by-side, it has the door cooling plus all. Ito po, ito siya.
Ay, ayun.
And
Nasa side naman.
Opo, and linear cooling feature, meron din po siya.
Fresh na fresh. Diba? Yung mga bote. Oo, diba?
Samba na din yung water.
2 months na. Ay, meron pa nito, Sir Jill.
Mas maliit lang po ng konti without...
Wala nito.
Oo.
Itong display.
Yes, without Wi-Fi, pero silver po siya.
Okay. Everything looks smart.
Yeah.
Hindi mo napapansin ang pagkakaiba sa budget. O, di ba? Hindi tinitipid.
Nakakamayaman.
Of course.
Oh, diba? Oh, look at that.
And then yung warranty po niya, lahat ng warranty po ng ref
10
natin,
years.
10 years sa compressor, and then 2 years sa parts and service.
Very durable.
Pero hindi naman na kailangan kasi wala nga nag-complain masyado. Wala mo nagbabalik. Ano yun? FF.
FFR, field
FFR.
failure ratio.
Oh, I love it.
And
Okay,
then,
sir. Ito mas maliit pa ng konti.
basically same po, pero mas maliit lang ng konti. Also has the door cooling plus. And then also, lahat po ng ref namin, we're using the most environment-friendly refrigerant available in the market.
Ay, gusto ko yan.
Yun po yung R600A. Kasi yung mga...
What does that mean?
Yung R600A kasi, medyo minimal na lang po yung carbon na ine-emit niya.
Okay. Wow.
So,
Gusto ng
yung-
WWF.
Yeah. So yung impact niya sa environment, sa global warming also,
Yeah.
na lessen na po. Unlike yung mga medyo may murang ref, ginagamit nila is the cheaper refrigerant din, which is called the R1348. So kami po, all our refrigerators are environment friendly with the use of R600A refrigerant.
O kasi sinabi mo nga kanina sa presentation mo, di ba? People are choosing, they're wiser with the
Yes.
choices that they
Opo.
make. And it's very, it's part of the decision-making process now. If it's sustainable,
Right.
di ba? If it's more conscious, more environment-friendly. So thank you, LG, for taking that into consideration.
Right?
Thank you, LG.
Making it a priority, actually.
Yes.
Thank you.
Well, meaning lang, hindi namin tinipid yung materials that we are using for our refrigerator.
Yeah.
And then also, this one is a smaller ref but different finish. This is the black steel that we mentioned.
Guwapo.
Oh.
Thank you.
Black.
Buti pa. Sabi ko sana buti pa yung ref.
Kaya, syempre, guwapo din kayo.
Sabi?
Oh.
Ay,
Opa.
Sarap po pa.
Pero okay yan sa mga condo dwellers, ha?
Saka sa mga bachelor pa.
Yan!
Correct. Or bachelor.
Yeah.
Puro mga pamilyado na tayo.
And then as you can notice po, lahat ng ref na nilaunch namin this year has the flat design na. So mas edgy na po siya.
Ang ganda. It's sleek.
Yes.
Oo, kasi yung mga magnet, hulog na hulog eh. So dapat talaga flat.
Okay, moving on.
And this is
Same size.
but different finish. This is the dark graphite. So
Okay.
mas mura po siya. Mas commodity
Compared
look
dito?
compared to that one.
Okay.
Di mas
Commodity
value for
looking.
money pa rin.
Yes.
Maganda. And this is,
Palit.
what is, okay. A little smaller. 11.9.
This
Parang
is
mas
10
pa yan.
cubic feet.
Ayun.
With platinum silver finish.
Mas slim siya.
Mas
Yes,
slim.
sir.
Oo, medyo mataas ng konti. Mas slim. Pataas naman siya.
And then we have the
Okay.
fast-moving ref po natin dito sa Philippines.
What? Fast moving, pinakamabili.
Yes, pinakamabili. It comes with 3 different colors. We have the black steel, platinum silver, and dark graphite, depending on your budget.
And they're all the same model.
Yeah, basically the same. Ito lang, ano
Different color
natin,
lang.
ito lang pong for price-conscious market, we didn't put the Toric Cooling Plus. So, it's really a typical ref.
Okay.
But the warranty is still the same, 2 years and 10 years on compressor.
So black steel,
Platinum silver,
Ayan.
and dark graphite.
Graphite.
Ganda. Parang smartphone pala, namimili ka na.
Oo.
Kung anong bagay pareho ng
Siyempre.
smartphone.
Pero lahat po sila inverter na po.
Ayun ang
So,
maganda.
energy savings talaga if they will buy it.
Yan. O, di ba? So,
Ang dami ko natutunan about refrigerators today.
tsaka hindi lang basta-basta refrigerators, Sir Jill. Ang dami palang pwedeng i-consider na best feature.
Of course.
Opo. Kasi previously, kala natin ref is just a typical box na
Yeah.
lumalamig. No, there's more to that. Parang may technology behind.
Yes, di ba? So,